In a world where the gentle hum of bees once filled the air, an alarming decline had taken hold. Beekeepers across the globe noticed their colonies dwindling, their workers mysteriously vanishing, leaving the hives empty and the queens lonely. This perplexing phenomenon was known as colony collapse disorder, CCD, and it posed a grave threat to agriculture and the delicate balance of nature. For years, scientists and bee enthusiasts alike had searched for a solution. Pesticides were tried, but they seemed to harm more than help, leading to unintended consequences in the ecosystem. Traditional breeding techniques provided some hope, but progress was slow, and the bees' resistance to CCD-related threats remained limited. Amidst the uncertainty, a group of dedicated researchers embarked on a daring venture to harness the power of genetics. Armed with the revolutionary CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing tool, they aimed to bolster the bees' natural defenses against the dreaded Varroa mite and the notorious Deformed Wing Virus. Their journey began with a thorough investigation into the genetic makeup of these remarkable pollinators. They meticulously identified key genes associated with immune response, detoxification, and viral resistance, the very essence of bee survival. With the genetic targets in their sights, the researchers delved into the world of gene editing. In their laboratory, tiny bee embryos became the canvas for their scientific artistry. Using the precision of CRISPR-Cas9, they carefully crafted new genetic sequences and introduced them into the embryos. It was a delicate dance, and the stakes were high. After much dedication and patience, the researchers achieved their first breakthrough. In the carefully screened embryos, they had successfully inserted the beneficial genes and modified the existing ones. These gene-edited bees were now endowed with a resilience that held the promise of a brighter future. As the bees grew, the researchers tended to their charges with unwavering care. The gene-edited colonies flourished under the watchful eyes of the scientists, each buzzing worker contributing to the survival of their hive. In time, the moment of truth arrived. The gene-edited bees faced the ultimate test as the Varroa mite and DWV launched their assault. But this time, the bees were prepared. Their enhanced immune systems recognized the invaders and fought back with newfound vigor. The mite's grip weakened, and the virus struggled to take hold. News of the gene-edited bees' success spread like wildfire. Beekeepers and farmers rejoiced as their colonies thrived, their crops flourished, and the fear of CCD diminished. The need for harmful pesticides dwindled, and a sense of hope returned to the realm of beekeeping. However, the researchers knew their journey was far from over. They remained vigilant, closely monitoring the gene-edited bees and their interactions with the environment. They understood the gravity of tampering with nature and remained committed to ensuring the balance was preserved. And so, the story of the gene-edited bees continues. A tale of resilience and scientific ingenuity, where mankind's quest for harmony with nature pushes the boundaries of what is possible. As the bees dance through the meadows, carrying the weight of the world on their tiny wings, they hold within them the hope for a sustainable future, a future where the sweet nectar of their labor flows freely, and the world's blooms never fade.